Hello everyone, myself Anjali Kailas Wankhede from BSc second year, Model Degree College, Buldhana. Firstly, I would like congratulate all of us because this year we have completed 75 years of independence. So we have celebrate Independence Day through this poster presentation activity. The purpose of poster presentation activities is the known how India developed in science and technology in past 75 years. Today's my topic on electromagnetic spectrum. What is electromagnetic spectrum? What are electromagnetic energy and types of electromagnetic spectrum? Electromagnetic spectrum is the arrangement of electromagnetic waves in order of frequencies and wavelength. Electromagnetic waves are invisible except small portion of light. What are electromagnetic energy? Electromagnetic energy travels in wave and spans a broad spectrum from very long radio wave to short gamma rays. Types of electromagnetic spectrum: radio wave, microwave, infrared wave, visible light wave, ultraviolet waves, X-rays and gamma rays. First, radio wave. Radio wave have the longest wavelength in the electromagnetic spectrum. They range from the length of a football to larger than our planet. Heinrich Hertz proved existence of radio wave in the late 1880s. Second, microwave. You may be familiar with microwave image as they are used on TV weathers, news, and you can even use microwave to cook your food. Microwave's oven work by using microwave about 20 centimeters in the length of rotate. The interaction of these molecules undergoing force rotation creates that heat and the food is cooked. Third, infrared waves. Infrared waves or infrared light are part of the electromagnetic spectrum. People encounter infrared waves every day. The human eye cannot see it, but human eye detect it as heat. A remote control uses light waves just beyond the visible spectrum of the light, infrared light waves, to change channel on your TV. Fourth, visible light. This visible light spectrum is the segment of electromagnetic spectrum that the human eye can view. More simply, this range of wavelength is called as visible light. The human eye can detect wavelength from 380 to 700 nanometers. Fifth, ultraviolet waves. Ultraviolet light has shorter wavelength than visible light. Ultraviolet waves are invisible to the human eye. Some insects such as bumblebees can be see them. This is similar to how a dog can hear the sound of whitefish just outside the hearing range of humans. 6. X-rays. X-rays have much higher energy and much shorter wavelength than ultraviolet light, and scientists usually refer to X-rays in terms of their energies rather than their wavelengths. This is partially because X-rays have very small wavelengths between 0.03 and 3 nanometers, so small that some same X-ray are no bigger than a single atom of many elements. And the last, gamma rays. Gamma rays have the smallest wavelength and the most energy of any wave in the electromagnetic spectrum. They are produced by the hottest and most energetic object in the universe, such as neutron stars as supernova explosions and region around black holes on Earth. Gamma rays are generated by nuclear explosions, lightning, and the less dramatic activities of radioactive decay. Thank you.